Suppose you got a problem like this. How would you do this? This doesn't show any product or sum or anything that we've seen in Vietas formula. What do we do? But still, you smell it because they're asking you to find R sub 1, R sub 2, some operations on it, not the answer itself, based on an equation here. So what you got to do is that whenever you see a type of problem like this, you got to doctor it. You got to work on this until this gives something that is product or sum or of some sort. So in this case here, let's find the common denominator and add them. Bam! We got sum and we got the product. So that's easy. The sum is what? Sum is, this is the negative sum, right? But this time I threw in a curveball. I gave you a in front. So for this to become the shape that you know of, you got to divide everything by a. So this coefficient now, as a monic polynomial, monic means the first coefficient was 1. All Vietas formula works for coefficient of 1, so you got to turn that into 1 first. So, should I do this for you? No, you do it. So it's b over a, got to be negative. So the upstairs is negative b over a. So that's the result of this part here. And that is now going, it's underneath is the product. Product is this one, right? Product of the root. But in this case, it's not a monic, it's a polynomial, so I got to divide by a, so it becomes c over a. So that's my answer. Of course, a cancels, so therefore you end up getting negative b over c as the answer to this one. Notice I still don't know what the roots are, and I do not care. That's not what they asked. This is what they asked. So required one manipulation of some sort. There's just endless variations on how they can give you. Hardly ever they would tell you R1, R2, add them. That's just too easy. So they would make you do some mental gymnastics with some creative hiding of the fact. But as long as you manipulate it right, you will get the right formation of this that are part of all this Vietas formula. It will come out to one of these and you will be able to read it off from the coefficient of the polynomials.